Welcome the our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Etsy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your passive income with Etsy, start by researching specific niches that interest you. Look for trends in popular items using the Etsy search bar and Google Trends. Analyze competitors by checking their best-selling items and pricing strategies. Once you have a niche, create a standout brand name that reflects your style and products. Next, design a memorable logo to enhance your brand visibility. After that, focus on developing high-quality, unique products that cater to your target audience. Consider creating digital products such as printables, digital art, or templates for easier scaling. Set up your Etsy shop by registering and filling out all necessary information. Optimize your shop title, tagline, and descriptions with relevant keywords for better search visibility. Next, ensure your product listings have high-quality images that showcase your items from multiple angles. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and unique features of your items. Consider offering free shipping or discounts on bulk purchases to attract more customers. Utilize social media platforms to promote your Etsy shop and engage with potential buyers. Join Etsy teams and forums to network with other sellers and gain insights into best practices. Regularly update your listings with fresh content and seasonal items to keep your shop active. Monitor your shop's performance by utilizing Etsy's analytics tools to track traffic and sales. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to enhance visibility and conversion rates. Consider investing in Etsy ads for more exposure and targeted traffic to your listings. Lastly, maintain excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and repeat customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.